Firstly, I was just overwhelmed with the pōheri today from Te Wānanga Aotearoa and just everybody being present, and also the group of people that came with me was pretty humbling. The main priority at the moment is just sort of get the feet under the table, get used to how the organisation operates. I mean, even just coming here today, I've enjoyed actually having a bit of a break to be able to go for a run if I wanted to, go to the gym if I want to, go fishing if I want to. Now I've got to go to work. With the help of all the kaiako, with the help of all of the people associated with every part of the wānanga, that's my hope and that's my dream. There's something about wānanga that you don't get in other places, and that's just a sheer passion. Passion on the part of the workers, the kaiako, the security people, everybody that I know about in any wānanga. And when you got that passion, you can do a lot with it. Koe nei te aronga nui au e whakapaukaha ko tā tātou ngā ringa raupā o te kaupapa nei. He tuku i te rā koha, te reo Māori, te ahurea Māori, te mātauranga Māori, ki te Māori, te honga hehiana ki te kai i ēnei kai. I feel I'm in a place that is right for me. You know, we've got a brand, we've got a product, we've got a taonga actually, that is right for the shaping and to build on. I bring some passion, I bring a commitment to our people, and I'll give it my all. I'm looking forward to just the next couple of months, just bedding in, talking to people, finding where my office is, and being able to touch base with as many people as possible. I don't expect too many people to do anything that I'm not prepared to do myself. Tāku kia koutou katoa, ko are a taringa mai tēnei rā, kia mahitahi tātou. E hari te mea ko au kei ronga, ko koutou kei raro. He wāhi ki au, ai, he wāhi ki au, he wāhi ki a koe, kia tātou. Te tumanaku ia, a ngā rā kei mui te aroro. Ka whai wāhi tātou ki te kōrero. Ka kanohi ki te kanohi, kia pā te rai ki te rai, te ihu ki te ihu, ka mutu, kia whai wāhi anō rā tātou ki te mahitahi, mo te aha, mo te ao Māori.